Okay guys, here's a couple things for you. It's a brand new Kingfisher, right? Big dollar boat in the shop. The guy waited a long time to bring it to me. We were too busy for us to outfit it because we are the best in the business at it. We do things right and do it once. And I thought I'd do a quick little video just showing you what we're up against these days. So it's 8 o'clock at night on a Friday. We really wanted to deliver this boat to the customer. Get him fishing this weekend, and obviously that isn't going to happen. So brand new boat, never even been wet, not even in the rain yet. And we are installing some equipment that the customer purchased a while ago. He ordered the boat, he got all excited and bought a lot of stuff. Don't do that, because the warranty starts as soon as you buy the stuff. So anyways, we are the best in the business at this, and we're having some issues. Like, see how nice of a job we've done with that transducer. We didn't drill any holes through the transom. This is like a mounting plate. Again, beautifully built boat. A couple nice stainless steel loom clamps, stainless steel screws coming up through a pass-through fitting, right? Again, pretty nice and slick, right? Ran everything, hit all our wires, did a really nice job, right? I'm really proud of the work we do. Put on a set of Scotty downriggers, which are a do not buy. I've got another video coming up on them. And then we connected everything up here in the dash. So brand new lowrance Elite and a brand new lowrance VHF radio. And if you guys know me well enough, you know that I don't recommend any VHF radio that doesn't say ICOM on it, and there's a reason for it. But anyways, lowrance, okay, this is a $1,600 chart plotter and a $320 VHF radio. Now, for that kind of money, we expect excellence and we expect support. Did you know that lowrance does not have a technical support line? You can send them an email, but to try to articulate technical things into an email is far more difficult than getting somebody on the phone and articulating it. So what we're trying to do is get this fucking thing to tell this fucking thing where it is. Pretty simple. I can do that with my Humminbirds and my other stuff on my boats. Again, we do really nice work. My Humminbird talks to my ICOM, no problem. But this thing, there is absolutely no reference to these wires here, which come out of that unit. These are just kind of, we're just trying stuff that isn't working. There's no reference to these wires in the installation guide, which, by the way, doesn't come in the box. You have to go online and try to find the installation guide. $1,600, you can't even give us an installation guide? Are you kidding me? Right? So then we dig up the installation guide for this guy, and it gives us a little bit of information, and it references these wires down here, which actually, hey, it does give us something to work with and color code and such. And I'm going to show you this here in a second. So here we are on the computer, which techs don't like using computers. We like stuff we can scribble on to start with. And again, $1,600 piece of equipment and a $320 piece of equipment. I think we're entitled to some stuff in about 4 different languages. Stop being so cheap. But here it tells us how to connect the NEMA 183, RXA yellow to TXA of the chart plotter, green to TXB of the chart plotter, etc., right? So that should give us what we need to know. So then we do a little bit more. So per the lowrance website, this is your installation guide, and it is 2 pages long. It doesn't give you any information on running your transducer, doesn't give you a template, doesn't give you much of anything. The least you could do is give us a printout template if we wanted to dash mount this stuff. But this is all it's going to give you for electrical connections. I'm trying to scroll up here. And there's absolutely no reference to the 3 or 4 or the 5 different colored wires coming out of your power cable that would be your NEMA connectors. So this is absolutely shameful. $1,600 chart plotter. $1,600 chart plotter. Beautiful quality transducer, all stainless steel. Nice heavy duty cable. The connector wasn't too big to go, still bigger than it should be, but not too big to go through the transom. I really like a lot of things about this. And I even think it's probably, from what I hear, some of the best imaging devices on the market. The cover for this thing doesn't fit properly, so that's kind of garbagey. But the fact that you won't give us a book, and I'm no expert on the marine environment, but the internet isn't all that handy. when we're 27,000 miles out on the lake or the ocean or down in some river valley or whatever. Give us a friggin' book. So Lowrance is a 100% do not buy. In fact, I will not install in my shop anymore because it's nearly 9 o'clock at night and I'm still here and I'm not getting paid and I'm not seeing my family. And when the best in the business is struggling with this garbage, don't buy it. Buy something else. Thanks for watching.